inaugural speech on the 1st day of October and laid stress on our desire and our resolve to work for African unity and for the liberation of all the African countries which are still under the yoke of racism and imperialism. I want us to unite in this effort. I want us to realize that we all belong to the same family, and we just cannot succeed if we are divided. We must not allow ourselves to be divided. And once there is this resolve between all African countries that we regard ourselves as brothers and sisters, we'll be able to solve our problems, especially in that Africa, with its great deal of potential, can and should stand by itself, politically as well as economically. And we have to work together, irrespective of our ideologies, irrespective of the region in which we come from. We ought to work together as Africans in the interest of the African continent.